Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Fixing a Wi-Fi MAC address unavailable error is a common problem on many smartphones and computers. This error means your device cannot find its unique hardware identifier for networking. Without a MAC address, you cannot connect to the internet or use local networks. Most of the time, this is a software glitch rather than a hardware failure. First, try a simple restart of your device. Turn it off completely and wait for 30 seconds before turning it back on. This clears temporary files and refreshes the system. Next, try toggling airplane mode. Turn it on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. This forces the wireless chips to restart. If that fails, you should reset your network settings. Go to your system settings and find the reset options. Select Reset Network Settings to clear saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. This often fixes deep system errors. Another option is to check for system updates. A bug in your current software might be causing the issue. Install any pending updates and restart your device again. If the problem persists, you may need to perform a factory reset. Back up your data first because this erases everything. A factory reset returns the software to its original state. If the MAC address is still missing after a full reset, the internal Wi-Fi chip might be broken. In this case, you will need professional repair services or a hardware replacement. These steps usually resolve the unavailable MAC address error for most users. Check your device settings under the About Phone or Status section to verify the address is back now.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.